Hi, I'm Nadia, and this is the individual progress I made on the development of Kong. Kong is an open world parkour game where the player can run around the world and collect pickups to earn more score, as well as finding contracts that will get them to pick up a certain amount of objects in a specific amount of time to earn a bonus amount of score. The world is mainly city based, with a park and construction lot to add a change in atmosphere as you're running around the city. Before production, I took part in several discussions about the timeline of the game, as well as the features that should be added into Kong, such as the collectibles and contract idea. I participated in the pre-production phase by also helping to create a Trello board, which is based on the Gantt chart made by Kyle. The Trello board is all the tasks that needed to be completed in the game, split up into subsections, which can be assigned to people and be moved into a completed section of the site once done. This kept everyone up to date with what people were working on during development. The team collectively also made a coding standards document that all programmers had to abide by, which I was also involved in. This set out variable standards as well as the ways methods and statements should be laid out. During production, my main focus was on the programmatic side of the project. I started by creating a general score bonus for picking up objects and then a score multiply bonus for the player's current score combination, which will be based on the player's movement. However, later on, this was not implemented into the game due to there being time constraints, and the player combination mechanic was not implemented. In addition to this, I created the contract pickup, which would allow the player to pick up an object and trigger a time challenge. A bonus would be earned upon completion. I created a help video along with this script to help Sam, our level designer, implement more contracts if necessary and help his understanding of the script that I'd created. Here's a snippet of the contract script working in action. Xiaowei was working on a speed increase pickup which was going to be implemented into the game, but unfortunately wasn't. Before he started working on the same script as me, I had a meeting with him to get him up to speed with what the script I had created does, as well as answering any questions he had. The code was extensively commented, making the script easier to understand, meaning he didn't have a lot of questions to ask me. After the development of the contract pickup script, I had Sam code review the piece of work I created, and it turns out the collision detection statements needed to be changed from on collision enter to on trigger enter due to them interfering with the movement. Sam noted that my video and extended commenting of the code that I'd created helped his understanding and made the mechanics implemented much easier. Here's a snippet of the video I created. In the further development of this project, I'd like to add other pickups as well as the point combination system, as I believe it'd make the game much more freeing. If I were to do this again, I'd definitely make sure that the team were given a time frame to do their tasks in, as it was important for them to be done within the amount of time due to time constraints, and some tasks took longer than others when they didn't need to be. Overall, the development of Kong went well, and I can see the further development of the game making it so much more fun to play, as it would have a variety of tasks for the player to do, leading to a longer game time and more interest. With further development would also come a larger map, and with this, that would mean that players would be able to do more exploring and feel more in tune with the game, leading to also a longer play time as well.